Today's video is about Dad and his funny food challenge. Keep watching the full video to learn English and enjoy the story.
This burger is so good!
No more fast food tonight.
Dad, you promised Mom.
Dad, I brought you some yummy vegetables.
Ugh, vegetables? No thanks, that's gross.
But they're healthy.
Still gross.
Let's do a challenge.
A challenge? Okay, I'm in.
Yay!
Checkmate, Dad! Wait! I can't believe it!
I win! Yay! Pull, Mom! We got this!
That's it! Keep pulling! Whoa! Not so fast!
Yay! We won!
Just one.
Dad, not healthy!
Huh? What's going on? Whoa! Flying burgers, help! Get away! This is... The giant cheese wheel! It was after me!
A cheese wheel?
It was terrifying!
Let's exercise together.
Okay, let's do it.
Yay! Let's jump!
I'm right behind you.
You can do it, Dad! You can do it, Dad!
Ice cream break?
No way!
Come on, Noor. Just a little one?
No way! We have to keep going!
Whoa!
Dad, are you okay?
Yeah, just clumsy. Thanks, Noor.
Anytime. Hey everyone, I'm joining the jog.
Awesome, Mom. Keep up.
This is so much fun.
Yeah! Woo!
All right, time to pump these up. Feel that burn. Keep it up. Yeah, stronger every day. One more for the win.
Wow, Dad, you are strong!
Wait up, everyone. I'm trying to keep up.
You're doing great, dear. Come on, Dad, you're almost there.
Ready, Noor? Let's race.
Okay, Dad. Here I go.
Dad is fast!
Look, I have abs now.
Choose, Dad! The yummy burger or the healthy vegetables? Hurry up and pick!
I choose vegetables. No more fast food. Eating vegetables keeps us strong.
They're delicious and healthy.
Yummy.
And fun English.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. The next video will be even more interesting and fun.